Welcome, techies, to the future of blockchain technology. Today, we're excited to tackle the revolutionary world of Unity MetaToken and its very own crypto blockchain. So, this video is for all the crypto enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to explore how Unity MetaToken is changing the game with its groundbreaking crypto blockchain. To begin with, what is Unity MetaToken? Can we call it a cryptocurrency? Well, technically yes. But Unity MetaToken is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a visionary project combining the power of blockchain with Unity's revolutionary game development engine. Unity MetaToken introduces a whole new dimension to the world of gaming and cryptocurrency by merging decentralized finance with gaming ecosystems. At the heart of Unity Meta lies its very own crypto blockchain. This blockchain is tailor-made for gaming and NFT enthusiasts, boasting scalability, security, and lightning-fast transactions. Through Unity Meta's crypto blockchain, users can create, buy, sell, and trade unique in-game assets and non-fungible tokens with ease, all while benefiting from the transparency and security of blockchain technology. Unity MetaToken empowers developers by providing them with a decentralized platform to build immersive gaming experiences and introduce play-to-earn mechanics for their players. Now there is good news if you are a gamer. You will love how Unity Meta enhances the gaming experience. It's amazing to earn rare NFTs and even trade them with other players. It's like owning a piece of the game. Play to earn is the future of gaming, and Unity MetaToken is leading the way. As players earn tokens and NFTs, the community grows stronger, and everyone benefits from the success of the ecosystem. Unity Meta also encourages community participation through governance, allowing token holders to have a say in the platform's future direction. The journey doesn't stop here. Unity MetaToken has an exciting roadmap ahead, with plans to expand its partnerships, launch new gaming titles, and optimize its blockchain technology for even greater scalability. Be sure to follow Unity MetaToken's social media channels and join their community to stay updated on the latest news and upcoming events. There you have it, folks. Unity MetaToken is stepping into the future with its very own crypto blockchain, revolutionizing the gaming and cryptocurrency industries. If you're a gamer, a developer, or simply a crypto enthusiast, Unity MetaToken has something extraordinary to offer to everyone. So, jump on board, explore the world of Unity Meta, and be part of this exciting journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update.